just a few feet away from this, and a Tulsa police officer has instructed this woman that if she won't comply, they will remove her for trespassing, and that's what they're doing right now. She said they're removing her from the scene, Alex, and we're right behind Tulsa police here. We're just going to keep moving along with them. This woman told police just minutes ago, Alex, that she had a ticket.
Yeah, so how's that
and
trespassing?
And the officer said, just because you have a ticket. That's what we're trying to figure out right now, Alex.
Yeah.
They're arresting me.
And they're placing. It appears they're placing her under arrest right now, Alex.
I've done nothing. I have tickets to this event.
And you know they're trying to listen to what you say. Bear with me.
No, I'm not arrested. I'm not.
So, hey, Morgan, let me check where she was sitting. Was she in any way impeding access to the event?
Ow! No, they hurt.
Alex, from our vantage point, it did not appear that she was impeding access.
Stop it.
She was wearing an I Can't Breathe shirt. We know she was pulled from the crowd as they began to enter this venue. We're going to keep walking down the sidewalk here, away from the main entrance point. We have several Tulsa police officers. We know that handcuffs have been placed on the woman right now. I'm just behind them. And they ask her beforehand, ma'am, we don't want to take you out by force. However, if you don't comply with us, we're going to have to remove you from this setting right now. And so, ma'am, if you can hear me, can you tell me what officers told you that you did wrong?
I was trespassing and breaking the law. And they're arrested. I've never been arrested before in my life.
So they told you that you were trespassing and breaking the
Yes,
law.
and I have a ticket.
What did you come here today to do, ma'am? You had a ticket, right?
Yes. Yes.
And what's... Were you coming here to protest the president's arrival, or were you coming to attend the rally? Tell me why. Stay with me, Alex. We're just walking with Tulsa police officers right now.
Are you from an organized group? No. So why did you come today?